We are in Midlothian, Texas, and you are going to love what I have to show you today. Let's check it out. Well, welcome home. We are in the Grand Summercrest II with Grand Homes, which is the builder. And one of the great things about Grand Homes is they are truly like a semi-custom builder. One of the things that you'll see is they have life spaces, which they really want you to be able to grow with the house and adapt to the different changes that you may go through. So this is considered a life space. They have it staged as an office area with the desk and things like that, but it could also be a formal living room or a bedroom with a bath and a full closet there. So just keep that in mind as we go through this home. This is one of the other life spaces that Grand Homes has, and this one is open, very high ceiling, still faces the front of the house. They kind of have it staged as a formal living area, but again, this could easily be another bedroom or an office or anything like that. Now, you've probably seen Grand Homes on Instagram and different things like that because they are one of the most beautiful builders. They build beautiful homes that are Instagram worthy. And so we definitely wanted to be able to share some of their floor plans with you. As we come to this space here, this is actually a media room. But again, they have it staged as kind of like a desk area, so it could be an office, you can get some work done, or if you had clients coming in, they have a nice screen there, and you have a nice window seat. So Grand Homes, you definitely have some flexibility with how you want to utilize your spaces. They have beautiful finishes, and literally they have architects on staff. So if you wanted to move walls, add a bedroom or a bathroom, you can do that with them. As we come around here, you're gonna love this wine closet. A lot of people have this option if they choose, or it could just be, you know, a closed off closet that you can use for storage. They've staged it beautifully as a wine closet, and right next door to that, you have kind of like a wine bar. Again, you don't have to have these options. This is just in this particular model, the Grand Summercrest II, that they have that. Now, as we come into this area, it's very open. We have 23-foot ceilings in here. Very open floor plan. You have the living space there, the family room, a dining space here. You can have it, see it's identified by the light fixture, and the kitchen. So the kitchen, you see the nice big island. They have the waterfall island here. Everything that you would see in a normal kitchen. They do have the pull-out trash. You get to pick out your dishwasher, your sink type. They have the 2-vessel sink in this particular model. And one thing I love about Grand are the vent hoods, and these are included. You don't have to pay extra for these beautiful vent hoods that they have as a choice when you go to the design center. This community in Midlothian, it is a gas community, and you can see this is definitely an upgrade with this 6-burner gas stove. Beautiful tile work that they've used. That's one of the upgrades, of course, but it is gorgeous, and if you choose to do that, you can do it. Here you have kind of like a little desk area. So you could have this as a breakfast nook without the countertops, but they've kind of staged it as kind of like a little cafe feel, and you can use that space there. It'd be a great space if you had kids that you need to keep an eye on while they're doing homework. They have the outlets here, so you have access to some electricity right up top. And we're gonna take a look at the backyard while we're right here. As you come out, you're gonna see this grand patio back here. Now the pergola is not included. The floors, not included. They are an upgrade. They've put some wood looking tile down, but you do get a nice sized lot in this community. This is about a 65-foot lot, but depending on where you locate or the lot that you choose, this could be a great option. Plenty of space if you wanted to have a pool. This community does not have a community pool, but you can have one in your backyard if you choose. The HOA here is about $99 a month, and there's no mud or PID. So great options here for outdoor space. As you come in, we're gonna go to see the family room. And this is open. As you can see, they have the floor to ceiling tile with the TV and the fireplace there. The sight lines here are gorgeous in this plan. I mean, I love the detail that they have with the ceiling. It's not just your regular peaks. They have some beautiful details there that I want you to be able to show them. Oh, before I go to this bedroom, let me show you this half bath that we have here. So we have a half bath for guests downstairs. They don't have to go into the master. And again, you have some flexibility with space. Here, your utility room would be, and actually right here is where the garage would be. Now this door here leads to the master closet. So you have your utility room here, master closet here. Great option for when you need to just take care of the laundry and hide it in your closet. All right, now let's back up and go to the master bedroom. Master bedroom, it's not a huge room, but it does serve its purpose. So you can see here that the master bedroom is tucked away. In the back or the rear of the house, you have some beautiful windows. They have some crown molding here on the ceiling, and it opens up to this gorgeous bathroom that has under cabinet lighting, tile just throughout. I love the tile selections that they have in this particular bathroom. They have the floating vanity, so nothing is touching the floors. You can see all the way under. Your freestanding tub, gorgeous, nice window. Again, I love the tile work they have in this bathroom as far as the selections that they made here. They have some gold accents here. That's something you choose at the design center. You can go gold, you can go matte black, you can go chrome. So some different selections there. This is the toilet closet, so you're not missing anything there. But come see this closet. It's huge. You don't have the separate closets for his and hers, but this is that door that leads to the utility room, and it's a walk-through closet. So you get to come in, they have some shelving there, different sizes or heights for your hanging items. They did some custom work here as far as having some drawers in place for your clothing, but also for your linen. So here's some great options. Again, Grand is a semi-custom builder, so you can have them build all kinds of things that you can visualize, and they, again, will present it to the architects and shoot back a price to tell you what's possible. So let's go, and I want you to see the sight lines as you walk out of your master bedroom, and it is absolutely beautiful. I mean, who would not want to walk into this? It is beautiful. I do like how they do have this formal dining area here. It's kind of right in the middle, and you may choose not to have that. So now we're going to head upstairs. And upstairs, you'll see a couple of options as far as game rooms. They have 2 game rooms in this particular model. But again, that can be flex space. So you can kind of have those set up however you choose. So let's go head upstairs right now. Okay, so we are upstairs now in one of 2 game rooms with this floor plan. So as you come up the stairs, you can see this game room is very open to the downstairs area. You can see the front of the house here, but you can also see this beautiful stairway and great sight lines to the other game room. So they do have a window seat here. You can see the space as far as like the size with the pool table being in the middle. And they have some beautiful built-ins here. So you can definitely not have too much storage. So this provides some additional storage and counter space. Beautiful wood beams that they've added. Of course, you can decide not to have those. Those would be an upgrade, but they do really just make a statement with this house. I am Keela McGraw, your favorite realtor, and we are in Midlothian, Texas in this beautiful gated community. Now, this particular floor plan is the Grand Summercrest II. It's about 4,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, but you can see the flexibility with the spaces, the lifestyle spaces that they have here. This particular plan does have the 2 game rooms plus a media room, but upstairs you're going to also get to see 3 additional bedrooms and 2 additional bathrooms. So look at this beautiful view here. I love the accents with the arches. Instead of it just kind of being squared off, you can see these beautiful arches that look down into this beautiful family room. Now, as we come into this space, I want you to take a look at one of the upgrades that they've done with this particular model, and they've added a little desk area for anyone who's needing to get some work done up here. They have this built in, it's beautiful. You have your beautiful countertop and some nice drawers for storage. So I think that is a great touch to have here. Again, we have 3 bedrooms up here. Here's one of the bathrooms that actually guests would use, but this bedroom would utilize also. It's a little bit darker with the selections that they chose for this particular bathroom, but it's gorgeous. This is one of the bedrooms. Upstairs, you can see that it is open to the front of the house. Lots of beautiful windows. So you don't just get one little bitty window. You get this huge kind of like portrait style window here. With this particular bedroom, you also get this beautiful, bright walk-in closet that also has a huge window. So you definitely want to make sure that whoever gets this closet, they know how to stay organized, because you will be able to see it from the exterior of the home. Now we're going to go over to this other bedroom, and these 2 bedrooms actually share a bathroom. And so plenty of options with big spaces. Again, you have these beautiful windows. This particular elevation allows for 3 windows in this bedroom, a nice size closet. It's not a true walk-in closet, but it serves its purpose. Now, as we go through here, you're going to see the shared bathroom with the Jack and Jill. And with this bathroom, it's a little bit different because you don't have the separate vanities, but you do have a nice size counter space here. They even have a little bench area there for getting ready in the morning. Beautiful tile work selections here. And they even have a little shelf in this tub and shower combo. So it's a little bit different. You don't have separate vanities, but plenty of space for both of these rooms to share this bathroom. And this bedroom, you have a window to the side, so it's more in the middle of the house. So not as many windows as the other 2 bedrooms, but still, it's still bright enough in here, I feel like. They have this one decorated really cute with the kind of like house-shaped twin beds. A good size walk-in closet, not as small as the one that we just left, but that first bedroom up here, that one definitely had the larger closet. So this is a nice size space. You can see they have twin beds. They're able to get 2 dressers in here. Good use of space. So as we come out, we'll be able to walk into the other game room, and they have some beautiful woodwork here. This woodwork on the wall and the ceiling is top notch. So you get to see how you can have upgrades in this house, but you can also choose to do that after you actually build the house and maybe save some money. They have some windows to the side, and it does open up into this step-up media room. Now this media room does come pre-wired with surround sound, but you'd have to add that, or you can have that at the design center. They have a nice size TV here that you can see could fit, but just a beautiful, entertaining style house. Plenty of spaces to be open, to be social. And again, you can adapt these spaces however you need. They literally have plans that you can move walls around, add things, take away things, just whatever your lifestyle really needs. Okay, so we just viewed this beautiful home by Grand Homes. Now this home in this community would start in the low 600s. And again, this same floor plan somewhere else would easily be over $100,000 more, especially if you're looking up in the north Dallas area. Let's talk a little bit more about the community. So we are in Midlothian, Texas, which is just a bit south of Mansfield. We're in the beautiful community, gated community of Summercrest. Again, this community really is located in a great location. It's just off of Highway 287, and you have easy access to Highway 67 as well. You're about 30 minutes to downtown Dallas and about 30 minutes to downtown Fort Worth. So a great option if you are wanting to be centrally located. Again, we are in a gated community, and that is not something that you see a lot of, especially down in the Midlothian, Texas area. Midlothian, Texas has about 43,000 residents, but it is growing. In fact, it's one of the fastest growing counties in the state, and Midlothian was voted one of the best places to raise a family in Ellis County. Again, we are in Midlothian, Texas, in this beautiful gated community. Now, Midlothian does feed into Midlothian Independent School District, which is a B-rated school district according to the Texas Education Agency. Great options here. The location is great. You're gonna love just the quiet, serene environment here. That it's not a master plan community, but it is a tight-knit community. But they do have a pavilion, they have a small lake with some of the lots, so just some great options here. I'm Keela McGraw, your favorite realtor, and if you have any thoughts of relocating to the area or you want to know more about Midlothian, give me a call, text, or email, and I'll see you in the next video.